Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to duet with any TikTok video using the latest method in 2026. Whether you're reacting to content, collaborating, or just having fun, Duet is the perfect way to engage. Step 1. Open the TikTok app and scroll or search for the video you want to duet with. Step 2. Tap on the share icon, arrow button, on the right side of the screen. Step 3. Select the Duet option from the bottom menu. Note, if the Duet option isn't showing, it means the creator has disabled it for that video. Step 4. Now you'll see different layout styles, side by side, green screen, react, etc. Choose the one you like. Step 5. Hit the red record button to start your part of the video. You can also adjust speed, filters, voiceover, effects, and more to enhance your duet. Step 6. Once finished, tap the check mark, then add a caption, hashtags, and adjust your privacy settings. Finally, tap a post, and your duet is live. Remember, keep your content creative and respectful. Always credit the original creator. Duets help boost engagement and build your TikTok presence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more TikTok tips.